In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to do a recording of your iPad. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you're running iOS 11. Okay, so to check to see what iOS you're running, if you go into Settings, make sure you're in General, and then go to About. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see Version. And you can see here that we're at 11.1.2. It's not the most updated, but it is at least at 11, so you know you're good to go. So from here, go ahead and go into the Control Center, and then you're going to choose Customize Controls. So you'll notice here at the top where it says Include, I've got Timer, Camera, and Screen Recording. So down here where it says More Controls, when you want to add one, like I had to record or add the screen recording, then you go ahead and you just do a plus button. And then to go ahead and get rid of it, you do the remove. Pay no attention to the voices in the background. Then what you do is you either swipe up or double tap the home button and you'll get here. So right where you can see that red recording button, that means that I'm recording the iPad right now. And then it'll count down 3, 2, 1, and when you see the red bar at the top, you know that you're recording. One of the ways that I've had teachers use this is when they want to upload their Scratch Junior to Seesaw. So then you just have your kids go into their Scratch Junior, navigate to their project. I'm not really sure what all is in some of these. Okay, go ahead and you could make it big, press the green button, and you can see that there's a video of what the baby is doing. Okay, click stop. Okay, and when you are done recording, all you have to do is touch the red button at the top, click stop recording, and it will automatically save to your photos on the iPad.